will around here. We also have here the treasurer. The treasurer is the engineer Rambo of the Second Pangasinan Engineering District. Gentlemen, on behalf of the IIE Pangasinan chapter, we would like to extend our gratitude to the Bernal Mendoza University Foundation for the venue through the intercession of our President, Engineer Ruki. Moving on, we now have an opening prayer to be led by Engineer Bermelio Viola.